Melody Transcatheter Pulmonary Valve Therapy demonstrates Medtronic's commitment to providing innovative therapies for the lifetime management of patients around the world with congenital heart disease. With Melody TPV therapy, children and adults with failed pulmonary valve conduits have a proven treatment option designed to restore pulmonary valve function while delaying the need for surgery. Many patients with congenital heart disease will require multiple open-heart surgeries over their lifetime. Melody TPV therapy is a less invasive alternative to open-heart surgery, which may reduce the number of surgeries a patient will face in their lifetime. With Melody TPV therapy, a thin hollow tube called a catheter with a specially designed heart valve inside is inserted into a vein and pushed up to your heart. The heart valve is made from a cow's vein that has been attached to a wire frame. When it is time for you to get the new valve, it is placed onto the catheter and guided through your vein to your heart, where the new valve will replace the old one. Your new valve will then be able to help your heart pump blood correctly. Melody TPV therapy isn't right for everyone. Talk with your heart care team about the potential benefits and risks. Possible risks include breakage of the wire frame that supports the tissue valve, leakage or narrowing of the valve, infection of the valve, tearing of the conduit during the procedure, squeezing of the arteries near the failed conduit when the stent or valve is expanded. Your heart care team can help decide if Melody TPV may be right for you.